Balancing chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation is the topic. The objective of the presentation: to learn how to balance chemical equation, to define the symbol used in chemical equations, to know the differences between coefficients and subscripts in balancing chemical equation, to indicate the state of the reactants and products, and to balance some typical chemical reactions. Chemical equations are concise representation of chemical reaction. This is a chemical combustion reaction where you have methane reacting with oxygen to produce CO2 and water. Why does an equation has to be balanced? Equation must be balanced because of the law of conservation of masses, which summarizes as mass of the reactant must be equal to the mass of the product. Total mass of the reactant must be equal to the total mass of the product. The combustion reaction I mentioned earlier, here we have methane plus. This plus means react with oxygen. This arrow means to produce CO2 and water. The reactant appear on the left side of the equation. Therefore, methane and oxygen are the reactants, while the product appear on the right side of the product. CO2 and water are the products. G represent gas, while S represents solid, AQ represents solution, L represents liquids. This equation is a balance. Why this equation is balanced? Because the total number of carbon on the left is 1, that of the right also 1, equal. The number of hydrogen on the left also equal to the number of hydrogen on the right, that is 4, while the number of oxygen also on the left equal to the number of oxygen on the right, because you can see 2 oxygen here plus another 2 oxygen. Coefficient is the number that is inserted to balance the equation. Like we have 2O2. This first 2 is the coefficient, while the other 2 here is the subscript. 2 times 2 means 4 oxygen. The same, we have 2 here. 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen. 2 times 1 oxygen means 2 oxygen. Why can't we balance the reaction of oxygen and hydrogen to produce water by just adding 2 to the water? This first equation, where we have 1 molecule of hydrogen gas plus 1 molecule of oxygen gas to produce water, is unbalanced because we have 2 oxygen on the left, while on the right we have only 1 oxygen. The second one is balanced, but it's wrong because it gives H2O2. This H2O2 is not water, it's hydrogen peroxide. And the last one is balanced and correct, where we have equal number of hydrogen on the left and right and equal number of oxygen on the left and right. Rules for balance. Actually, there is no rule in balancing chemical equation, but there are some guidelines to assist in balancing chemical equation. Start by the element not repeated on both sides. Leave the single element to the last. Don't change the subscript in the formula. Choose a suitable coefficient and consider the chemical formula as in mathematical brackets. This equation is a typical equation of ethane combusting with oxygen. We first start because on the left we have 2 carbon. We balance by putting 2 to the CO2 to make the number of carbon equal. On the left we have 6 hydrogen. We put 3 to make the number of hydrogen equal to 6. At the end, we multiply the whole equation by 2. We have 2 mole of methane reacting with 7 mole of oxygen to produce 4 mole of CO2 plus 6 mole of water. Exercises. In the chemical reaction, the substance to the left of the arrow are called reactants. When hydrocarbon are burned, they produce CO2 and water.